Jai Hind. Welcome to another episode of Sloka Satymevjayate. Certainly, Manipur is a state in northeast India known for its rich cultural diversity and history. However, it has experienced significant violence over the years. The violence in Manipur is multifaceted, involving issues such as insurgency, ethnic tensions, human rights abuses and clashes between different communities and state forces. The main drivers of violence include demands for greater autonomy, protection of indigenous rights, economic disparities, and struggle over territorial integrity. To discuss this issue, we have Hafsa from Stage 9. Welcome Hafsa, welcome to our show. Please sit down. Okay Hafsa, let's start with a bit of background. Could you provide a brief overview of the violence in Manipur?
Certainly, Manipur has seen extensive violence between the two tribes, Meitei and Mink, which is an ongoing ethnic violence which has erupted on Nithar in Imphal. Over 160 people have been killed and 600 have injured. Huge destruction has happened. The Kuki tribal has observed that the CM who believed in Meitei is acting in a partisan manner, and this has mounted many protests and led to violence. And this has led to many issues like reservation, religion, land, political representation and opium cultivation.
Over 160 people killed and 600 injured. That is actually very sad to hear, Hafsa. How have the Indian government responded to the violence in Manipur?
The Indian government responses have been complex. While it has made the effort to address the grievances of community, PM Modi has remained silent on the violence of Manipur up until the attack on May 4th. So, he said that this incident has shamed India and no guilty will be spread. But many people in India said to him that why did it take so long for him to comment publicly on Manipur?
How has the violence affected the daily life of people in Manipur, Hafsa?
The violence has profound the impact on the lives of people in Manipur. Frequent conflicts, curfews and security measures have been disrupted the normal life of people, affecting the education, economic services and healthcare services too.
Are there any efforts being made to address the violence and promote peace in Manipur?
Yes, various initiatives have been undertaken to address the violence and promote peace in Manipur. The government has appointed more than 40,000 troops, police officers, soldiers to stem the latest round of violence. And with some efforts, they have built bridges between different communities. However, a comprehensive, lasting solution remains a comprehensive solution.
This is a very complex issue and I hope peace prevails in Manipur. I pray to God. But before we wrap up, do you have any message regarding this conflict?
I believe it's crucial for the government, civil societies and insurgent groups to come together. As it's a national problem, only through understanding, empathy and collaborative efforts, we can hope to address the root cause of violence in Manipur and work towards peaceful and prosperous region in future. With this, I would like to conclude. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you for your insight and thoughtful perspective, Hafsa. I appreciate your time. Thank you for coming to us.